GONSIN Anniversary Special. We have a mission. We have a mission to ensure the stable operation of important conference events, carry the smooth communication among international political and business cooperation, make the powerful voice heard by the world. We have a mission to boost the social development with efficient and intelligent conferences, provide advanced technological support for conference events in various fields, hold fast to the accurate communication of key information. We have the mission to make the conference service management more convenient and efficient, facilitate more intelligent conferences, promote the change and development of the conference industry. Because of the mission, we keep focusing on research and development, uphold fundamental principles, and break new ground. Pursue the unremitting product progress. Make breakthrough in techniques, applications, and user experience. Keep the phase of creating products with ingenuity and intelligence. Strive to make conference plus serious products. Promote the industry development. With the mission, GONSIN staff march forward regardless of hardship. Never forget the original intention. Time flies. GONSIN still keep its steadfast commitment to its original goals. Since its establishment, we have set a goal to work towards. Build efficient conference communication bridge globally. GONSIN keeps its mission firmly in mind, makes endless progress.